Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Trends Bloggers, and thank you for supporting me and subscribing my channel. And today I'm going to show you hydra facial, the complete video you can watch, and if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. So first step is cleansing. So now I'm using a brushing machine. It completely cleanses your skin and it deeply removes your blackheads and whiteheads. So I'm using the cold hammer. Abrasion is done. See, mainly hydra facial, the first step is abrasion, which removes your whiteheads, blackheads, and I can say deeply cleanses, and it hydrate your skin. So hydra facial is meant to hydrate your skin, and after abrasion I'm using on her face the cold hammer, which will minimize the pores. So now I'm using you can call as scrubber or macro peeling. It actually removes the dead cells of the skin, and it also removes the upper layer of the micro skin. So I can also say it's a micro peeling. You can see in the scrubber that how it peels. You can see the brownish color. I have applied the gel, which is white, and it is turned into little brownish. So whatever her dead skin is there, the upper part, it is just coming out. So I'm applying the mask. It's a sheet mask. So this is the final mask, LED mask we call, and it completely have 7 different lights. So each light it work for the skin, like minimizing the pores and giving brightness. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.